Welcome to Pappyjoe. Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA, adds a second layer of security by requiring a quick code from your phone alongside your password, keeping your account 100% safe. To enable 2FA on your account, click the setting icon in the top right corner of the calendar page and select Enable 2FA. Now open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile phone. Tap Add a Code. You can scan the QR code on your computer screen or type in the secret key code manually to complete the process. Give it a reference name. Enter the passkey. Click Add to confirm. Enter the 6-digit code shown in Google Authenticator, then click Verify and activate 2FA. To confirm activation, go to the settings icon, select Log Out. Enter your credentials and click Sign In. Open Google Authenticator on your phone, enter the 6-digit OTP and click Verify and Log In. You have successfully activated two-factor authentication and your account is 100% safe. To disable two-factor authentication, go to Settings and select Two-Factor Authentication. Select Disable Two-Factor Authentication and click Confirm. Go to the settings icon, select Log Out. Enter your credentials and click Sign In. You have successfully activated two-factor authentication on your account. Thank you for securing your account with Pappyjoe.